to understand the true cause that we are dealing with on this earth. We all have goals, expectations that others have, that we have for ourselves. But don't worry, it's not selfish. There is a world that we envision for ourselves. Perhaps a perfect idea of utopia.
Теперь понятно, почему 100 штук. Ну шо, пошли гулять? Какой гулять? Ты сейчас придёт репетитор по вокалу. Понял, нет,